Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick video review of this tagging gun. I noticed a lot of people had questions about how it worked, so I thought I'd just do something real quick just to demonstrate. So this is the gun. It comes with instructions that I actually felt were pretty clear. And then it comes with 5 needles, so there's a pack of 4, and then there's 1 needle at the end of the string on the safety cap. I actually used this for a couple hours before I even realized that there was a needle in there. I just thought I got gypped by a needle. So there's the extra one. And then it came with a pack of the plastic pieces. So there are 1,250 in there. Quite a few. So what you need aside from this is you need some kind of tags. So I bought a box of 1,000 just plain tags. Now in hindsight, I was doing this for a garage sale, and I thought it would be nice to have the plain ones because maybe I'd use them again for something else, like for gifts or something. So I didn't really want ones that had lines for like size and price and brand or whatever. But I did a lot of writing, and I wish I would have got the ones that had those lines and had it pre-written for the price and stuff. But what's done is done. I tagged about 500, well, no, about 300 to 500 items with this, and then I passed it on to some neighbors. We had a community garage sale, and then they tagged with it. And they really enjoyed it. They said that they felt it was really easy as well. So to get it set up, we're going to end up putting a needle in here, but there's an open and a shut position on here. So we're going to turn it to 3 o'clock to open it to be ready for the needle to be inserted in there. So on the needle, it's hard to get it to focus, there is a side that has, that's open, okay? Let's see. Man, my camera just won't focus. There we go. So you can see that the needle is like hollow and one side is open. So you're going to want to insert that into so the opening on the needle is with the opening on there, because that's where one part of the plastic is going to come out. So, let's see. And the only thing that I thought was a little difficult is, since the needle's obviously smooth, pushing it in and pulling it out it's not difficult, but there's no grip on there since it's smooth. But it's not a big deal. And then you're going to close this to the 9 o'clock, and then you can insert the plastic pieces. Now the plastic pieces have one side that's a lowercase t and one side that's an uppercase T. You want the lowercase t side to go right into that hole, and then you just push it down until it doesn't go anymore. Okay, so I think that's it. And then I can kind of see that there's one lined up in there. Sometimes with the new strand here, I have to pull back on the trigger a couple times to get it going, but it's not a big deal. So then I have my tag here, and I'm going to punch through the hole, and you kind of got to hold it up because obviously usually your tag's going to fall off its stem. And then we're going to find something to tag. This coat has been tagged before, so before I do punch it, you can see the hole it leaves. It's right there. It's nice when you have something that has a tag like this. A lot of kids' clothes are tagless now, so what I try to do is find a seam where, you know, like if I were doing it with this, I'd do it right there. If it didn't already have a tag, just kind of, you know, tuck the gun up in that there, and hopefully it wouldn't leave that noticeable of a hole. But luckily with this, we have a tag. So I'm going to poke it through there and squeeze the trigger, and there we go. Now that's tagged. I usually do right on these before I tag it. It's just a little bit easier. And then we can move on to the next one. Let me get another tag. Here we go. And then there we go. And that one's tagged and ready to go. So overall, I'll tell you, I felt like this was extremely easy to use. This was my first time ever using a tagging gun, and I've done consignment sales before where I have to tag my own stuff, and I've always used safety pins and tried to get stuff to stay, and I'm really mad at myself that I didn't buy one of these earlier, because it's just super easy to use and very straightforward. The only thing is this is sharp, obviously, so you can pull it out each time, or if you want to leave it in, it does have that safety lock, or that safety cap, because I have a 2-year-old and he was kind of around me when I was doing this. So that safety cap is on there. You can always leave it on. And then you do have the extra 4 needles in case you lose one. I don't know if these get dull with time. I don't really know why you need this many needles, but I mean, I guess they can get lost and stuff. So overall, great product. Obviously you need some kind of tags. No complaints here. Thanks for watching. Hopefully it helped you out.